We are.
Yes.
We are.
Routing.
Routing. We were discussing about routing, right? Okay. So let me share my screen first. Guys, can you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
So this is a firewall what I have configured in the this Palo Alto networking slab. Okay, what I did is first I log into the firewall with GUI interface, and here once I log into GUI, I'll type the configure command, then set device config. You know this command, right, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So after that, I have configured IP address and net mask everything. So I have set the firewall IP address as 192.168.10.2, and after that, this is the topology. And here, like this Windows machine has been connected to management interface of the firewall. So once again we have to do the configuration over here, like so we have to come here again and we have to. I'm using this IP 10.5 for this machine, which is in the same subnet of the firewall IP address. Okay, guys. This is what the initial configuration, right? I haven't showed you this, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So after this, we were discussing about the routing part. This is the interface I have configured over here, and this two interface I have configured, and this is our topology. This thing we are configuring the routing part. This two router, and this is the ISP router. This is our firewall. This is from trust zone to untrust zone. Okay, and I have set the IP address of this range only. Okay, guys.
Yes, right.
Yeah. Have any doubt in this topology? Leave about this part. Okay.
So
Just
today, what
talking
we are gonna do on
this
this
part
one?
only.
Yeah. What all things we are going to do right now?
I'll show this thing to you now. Right
Okay.
now we are doing this lab. I'm showing this thing. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
So here in virtual router, I forgot to tell you something yesterday. Mm, I'm not remembering like guys, yesterday did I told you about this path monitoring?
No.
No, no, no.
Okay. So this path monitoring in the sense like we will be configuring some of the static IP over here in this part, and if we have two link, okay, somewhere you will be having two different link over your network, correct? So what we'll do once we click on this path monitoring, we can able to access this feature in the Palo Alto firewall. Once you click on this, so here you can see the failure condition for any and failure condition for all. Okay, what we'll do, like you'll be adding some IP address over here, like from Airtel or something. I'm just giving you the example of this Airtel kind of thing, and you're giving the source and destination IP address of that. Again, you'll be configuring the second IP address over here, data or something, data. Let's assume data, and you'll be filling this IP address details and destination IP details over here. And this ping interval, you can set what are all the things you require, like what should be the ping interval time and count of the packet, what it is required. So why this path monitoring is required? Like you can configure this path monitoring with a single link also. The, that is not a problem. But the thing is, if it could be better, like if you have at least two link, if you have, then in that case only, if you're configuring this, uh, that could be good. Why? Because if Airtel link goes down, automatically the traffic will be diverted to the Tata link. Again, once your primary link got up, again the Airtel will start running on this. So because of this reason, we have an option of path monitoring. Okay, if you are configuring with one single uh, provider also, then that is fine. That is not a big deal. Guys, can you mute? Who is this user? Hello. Okay, so in that case only this path monitoring if you configure, but if you are configuring it with a single link or anything, it consumes memory, right? Firewall memory it consumes. Because of that reason, we are recommending not to configure the path monitoring with only one link. Got it, guys? Any confusion? Any doubt in this part?
Not yet.
All
So
right.
what is the purpose of path monitoring on a firewall? Like for what we are monitoring the path?
As you have a two link in the firewall. So if one link goes down or anything like in
It's
that case,
related to ISP. If we have two ISP links,
it's I just give you the example. It's not about the ISP link. Any link if you have a two link, only in that case.
what if we have two ISP links? We can do
Yeah, you
configure
can
as
do
a
that. You can configure the path
primary and
monitoring.
secondary.
Yeah.
But that
You
part
just
will be
you
taken.
just
But
add to
will that part be taken care by firewall, or there would be your one router who is because firewall may not be directly connected
that
to your.
this part will be taken care by firewall. Like we have option in the virtual route and in the static route you can able to see this option, right?
Okay.
In your organization, if you have a router or anything, if there will be primary and secondary router will be there, correct? In
Yes.
that you will be configuring some BTP or anything like preempt
Yes.
something, you will be doing it, right? So after that, if you did some changes or anything, or if the primary link goes down, automatically the traffic will be diverted to the
To the
secondary link,
second.
correct?
Yes.
So it will not impact. Right? The same kind of thing. You can see the preempt whole time also,
Okay. Okay.
correct? So you can change these timings also. That is not a big deal. This is a conceptual wise thing. And in this path monitoring, if it is below version of 8.0 PAN OS, it won't support. Like
Okay.
failure will happen.
Okay.
This feature will work only on 8.0 PAN OS version. Before that, it was in bug, which has been resolved. As of now, we are running with the 10 series, 10.2 series. Okay, we are running with 10.2.4 now.
Can this path monitoring feature enable load balancing on the firewall or no?
No load balancing kind of thing.
Either it's going to be one part or a path or another path. That's it, right?
It is just if the path is link is up or not.
It's active passive, like an active
Yeah,
passive.
and that is the reason I said if it is only one link, don't configure the path monitoring. Why? Because it's consume the firewall memory. Because of that thing I said. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So can we move ahead with next thing here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our topology. Okay, I have
Hello.
we need to configure here lot many things.
Hi, Rohit.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. So I joined late. So can you tell that what is the topic we are studying right now?
We just discussed about the path monitoring. Rest of the thing now we are going to discuss.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is R1. Guys, I think you guys are good at configuring the routing part.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to configure RIP.
Yeah.
Hmm?
We are configuring through CLI, right?
Yeah, this is router, right? This is Cisco router.
Oh, okay. Okay. We are here.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
this is our topology, and we will
Mhm.
be discussing only on this part. This
Okay.
is our configuration, and I have
Mhm.
configured the Palo Alto firewall, and this all the IP address configuration I did. And
Mhm.
this is our ISP router, and this is the IP address of that. Rest of
Mhm.
the thing we are configuring it.
Okay.
Good, guys, do you remember what is the command or anything?
Yeah. Yeah. For RIP,
Yeah.
the router RIP. First, we have to go like configuration mode. Config terminal TR. Yeah. Then router RIP. Then
Keep
network
the
command.
network.
Yeah.
Configure interfaces.
Actually, I'm not able to see what are you typing.
Yeah, and can increase the size.
Enough.
Reload, I think.
No, this much only it comes. You can't able to see this.
Visible.
Still?
The like font size is same. Yeah.
It's very small font size.
Reload.
To,
Just I think. Yeah.
no, if you reload, it takes a lot of time. Actually, I tried this.
No,
So,
through like web browser only. It will adapt.
okay.
Now able to see if we zoom on.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we
No,
are
it's
able to
okay.
see.
right.
Yeah.
So, I think if we reload this also, it is not coming actually.
Okay. It's
है
it's
ना?
okay. Yeah.
चलो अच्छी बात है हो गया काम आसान हो गया अपना
No, it went again. Yeah.
We have 3 routers here. I kept 3 routers.
Yeah.
Okay. So now will be. Yeah. See what the heck is that. चलो, ठीक है. What we are doing, guys? I forgot.
We are configuring
Adding
the
network.
RIP.
Yeah.
Network command we are giving in RIP.
1 second. I missed out something, I guess.
I start router rip. Network. Version 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Version 2 is required.
Not really, but
yes.
we can do.
What is? Should we need to enable the?
No.
subnet?
Just give IP only. It's
Why?
okay.
Can anybody
Because
tell me why?
because we are now environment, so there is no need.
And this, guys, this part is not in the syllabus. Okay.
This is the networking part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as per Palo Alto official partner, they are they are not giving training about this topic, routing part. Guys, who is doing this? What we did, guys? Now
we configured it. Oh, sorry.
okay. How to check this? Any command?
Yeah. So IP RIP.
Show.
So IP route.
Show IP. Who said?
RIP or route.
So IP route rip, I guess. Correct?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not remembering this command.
This is right. Correct command.
Yes, this is fine.
Yeah, I configured this thing, right?
Yeah.
So this is our topology. Oh my god.
This is very small topology.
Okay. So after this, what we have to do?
We have configured RIP on all router, right?
How?
Yeah. We have configured, right? RIP on every router,
So
I guess.
after this, I have to configure the interface.
Interface of Palo Alto.
So I have configured the interface over here, correct?
Yeah.
This is
have we
IP,
created
right?
zones?
Yeah, everything is created.
Okay.
So while you're configuring the L3 interface, this these two things are mandatory: zone and virtual router. This is the complete portion I'm showing these things to you. Okay. Yesterday I didn't show you something. This part I didn't show you. These two are compulsory kind of thing. You have to do this. Okay. And same thing I have configured here. This is the topology and this is the IP address, the link IP address, and this is our internet untrust zone IP address, what you can see here, correct? These two. After that, you know how to create the zone, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
Can I move to this
routing part?
Routing.
Or net, yeah. We can move
Yes.
this.
So we can use the default routing. correct? As you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
or else we can create our own. For creating our own, what we'll do? Add. We'll give some name, lab test or anything. Interface. This two interface we'll add here. Not this interface. Wait. Here. So we have added this interface. Correct, guys.
Yes.
So after this is the part like we are creating a virtual router of our own for this two interface. Correct. So now what we have to do next to flow the traffic from this RIP to this ISP side.
Routing on a firewall, static route.
Yeah, static route, or else we have option here of RIP, right?
Yeah.
What is the full form of RIP? It's okay.
Router information
Routing
protocol.
Information
routing
protocol.
information
Okay.
protocol.
So by default, this traffic will not flow. Correct, guys? Can somebody help me with the IP address to ping?
Yeah. Yeah, Harun.
Does it pinging now?
No. Yes. Not reachable.
Yeah. Why?
Because
Because
the
of
route part is missing.
central.
We haven't
Because
configured this routing
yes,
part,
yes,
correct?
yes, yes. The
So
route is
by
missing.
default, if you click here, if you're going to the RIP, okay, can you able to see reject default route? We have an
Yeah.
option. And RIP is we have not enabled the things yet.
Yes.
Mhm.
Correct?
Correct.
Yes.
So this reject default route, this is for like 0000 routing, what we are adding it, right?
Yeah.
This will be
Yes.
blocked. Why? Because firewall won't, this is a security device and firewall won't trust any other devices, right? So by default it will be
Blocked.
blocked because of the
Yeah.
reason some of the some guys from outside, if they are running they if they hit our device or something with this default route, then our network might be compromised. Correct? They could have get
Yeah.
into this our environment. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Because of
Correct.
this thing, this is kept as rejected. But based on your risk, you can enable this thing. We have option. Enable to see.
Yeah.
So now what we'll do, we'll enable this routing part. Okay. What we have to give here?
Interface.
Hmm.
Yeah, we have to give interface name.
Okay. Next.
Yeah. Next, we have to click OK.
And okay, sorry guys. Okay, I'll show you another one now. This two interface we have added, and here we have a advertised default route.
Yeah.
This is an advanced routing part. I can't able to show you this. Like we don't have that much setup over here. For that we need 3K, 5K, 7K series or VM series.
Router, yeah.
This thing will work. Okay. So sorry guys, I can't able to show you this option.
But here we are advertising through GUI part, but in routing we have to give command for this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
but the thing is like the firewall watch what we are having now, it won't support.
Mhm.
Okay.
Right.
So it required like 3K, 5K or 7K minimum. Minimum 3K series firewall is required, physical hardware kind of firewall, or else VM series firewall it is required. That to higher end, not lower end VM series. Or else firewall will be crashed.
Yeah.
It can't take that much load.
What this feature work?
Yeah, that feature.
No, what this feature work? Why this feature is used for?
Advanced routing.
This is just advertise the default route.
Okay. After this, what we'll do?
Okay.
Hmm?
Commit.
Commit.
Yeah.
Guys, this part configuring this is very easy kind of thing. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
In the firewall.
Yeah, because
Network engineer will give you the information about the IP address, everything. You have to just configure the interface zone, everything. You have to configure the virtual router and just come to the RIP and you can add the interface. It starts working. Correct?
yeah, correct.
I think it's got stuck. Now done.
No, it takes time, guys. It takes time. It's not stopping.
the protocols which are running on the routers, we have to use the same one on the
Yeah.
firewall.
Yeah.
If there is static routing on the router, we have to use the static.
Yes. It's not completed.
So we can't do here redistribute.
Redistribute in the sense.
It means suppose we
Told you,
router.
na? Yesterday class I told you this thing.
Okay, yesterday you told,
RIP
but
to
I forgot
SPF.
it. Yeah.
RIP summary. Yeah. Guys, we can able to see this IP.
Yeah.
What we have configured. 1 second. Yeah. Guys, here we are not getting the exact routing information over here.
Mhm.
The interface IP it is showing. Can anybody tell me what is the reason?
We are getting just summary. I think. Yeah. We are not getting like entire routing table.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah. Because Palo Alto do not keep entire routing table.
Hmm.
Yeah, it just keep like
Routing information it will not keep, but somewhere it should
Yeah.
update, right?
Yeah.
From interface to data plane to control plane,
Control
it should
planes,
update,
yeah.
right? So why we are not able to see the routing information, exact routing information?
Mhm. This part I don't know.
Can anybody tell me, guys? You are a network engineer. You all are network
No,
engineer.
from Palo Alto perspective, I don't understand. I mean, I don't know.
What's that?
We are not getting exact routing information over here. Can anybody tell me what is the reason behind this?
Because we don't have any routes for that, so it's not
Huh?
coming in routing table.
Network is not being advertised.
What? Who said? Can anybody tell me who said? Guys, can you tell your name? Who said network is not advertised? Who said this answer?
Zubair.
Zubair, can you please explain how the network is not advertised?
1 minute, let me take a look at the screen properly.
Okay. Can you guys can you raise your hand? Those who all are a network engineer. Please raise your hand. I want to know how many of you are a network engineer over here. No one. No network engineer in this batch.
Yeah, I have raised.
Amrish, can you please tell me why it is
Yeah.
not showing the exact routing information?
I think we are getting just summary part. I guess we are not
Yeah,
getting
why?
entire.
Yeah, that is what
No,
I said.
Because
summarize.
maybe because
no
of
summarize
this.
command is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abhishek
We have to
Dimri.
give.
That is the
Yes.
right answer.
Yes.
Correct.
Auto summarization.
So what
No
we have to
auto.
do?
No auto summarization.
Rohit,
Good,
we
good,
give
good.
this command no auto summary. We give this command no auto
Amrish,
summary. I think. Yeah, right?
Amrish, wait.
Yeah.
First, Abhishek Dimri told the answer.
Yes, I
That means
understand.
he is analyzing something.
Maybe.
Abhishek Dimri, can you please tell me the command again?
Yes. No auto. Sorry. No auto summary. Router rip. Sorry, we will go router rip.
Go tell me.
Then no auto summary.
Then
we will save it right.
that's it, right?
Yes.
Guys, every time if we are getting some error, some issue, then that will not be a firewall issue, correct?
Yeah.
Why no auto summary command we have to use in
Because
this?
Rohit, no auto summary does like allow the all subnetting part, right? Subnetting subnet or subnet. Like we are able to see like /24, 23, 25. If we are not
supports variable and subnet mask.
Yeah, VLSM part. So if you are not getting it, then we have to give this command in networking, that no auto summary. We just give it like we give in like OSPF and
by default summary is enabled, so we have to disable
yes.
no auto summary.
Why by default summary is enabled?
Because like characteristic of that.
Especially in
Cisco understand only like /24. Like
because RIP version 2 supports classical routing.
That's good.
Good.
Network part, you have to explain these things to me. Firewall part, I'll explain these things to you.
Yeah.
Now we are getting
Yeah, we are getting.
summary. Correct, right? Exact routing part. Correct, guys?
Yes, correct.
Here you can able to see the information what we required. Correct, guys?
Yeah, we are getting all part. Like
At least open up the mouth now. Now we have successfully done this.
Yeah, we are getting all routing data.
What was happening? Subnet it started summarizing on the base of class A IP address, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So once we give that, what it will do?
It will enable the like all
It will-
subnets.
It starts specific routes and populate over
Yeah.
the
For all 10 subnets, it is given one.
correct, guys?
Yeah, correct.
And this has some command what we can use in the firewall like rip peer. Okay, this is one IP, one command, and this is rip summary what we will get. And the last command is database.
दिवस वाढ बघतो नवी सेवा कोण करेल
Guys, can you mute? Anything else, guys? Apart from this, you have a doubt? The same kind of thing we can configure over here for OSPF, BGP, and multicast. And we are not going to. I'm not going to show you this configuration part of this because I have to configure the OSPF and BGP everything. Okay. One thing I showed this thing to you because you should have understand like how we have to configure the firewall. Correct, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Tomorrow can we move ahead with different topic? And see, I'll show you another one thing. Here, how did you get the information, right? In the CLI. Once we click here, we'll get all the information here itself in the GUI. Correct?
Yeah.
See, every information we'll get it over here. Can you able to see this information over here, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Have any doubt?
So route table and forwarding table, like okay, like
I told you.
Okay, yeah, choose the best path and it will keep it forwarding.
This route table in the sense rib, all possible route,
Yes.
and fib is forwarding it will forward the best route. Correct.
Correct.
Every time typing this, remembering the CLI command is a hectic kind of thing. So you can directly get it over here. This option, more runtime status. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir? How do you have
So it is having like route information base and forward information base, routing information. Routing information base will how can I say? It will find all possible path, like in which all the path you can reach to the destination.
Best route path.
Best route path is for forwarding fib. Fib will do the best route path.
Yeah. Means we can say comparatively in system.
Like for example, if I want to tell you, like let's assume from source to destination, if you try to identify something, we'll get 4 route. Correct. So from A route it is 30, from B route it is just 10 kilometer, and from C route it is 60, and from D it is somewhere 55. Okay, so to find this path, all possible path, rib is used. Okay, and fib is used like in 4. We got a 4 path, right? In that, which is the best path, that will decide by fib. I just give the example. Okay, based on this, you just refer the documents, 1 or 2 documents or 1 or 2 videos. You'll get to know. If you still doesn't understand, tell me in the next class. I can help you out with some other example, the best example what I can give, or else I'll show you with the diagram or anything. Okay. Who asked me this? Hello.
Ashok Gupta.
Who?
Oh, just before I'm Ashok Gupta, sir.
Your name?
You have not.
Your voice is not
Ashok
clear.
Gupta, sir.
Ashok Kumar. Okay.
My name is Ashok Gupta, sir.
Okay. Just go through the documents of rib and fib, how it works in the Palo Alto firewall. If you still doesn't understand, just tell me in the next class. After I complete the class in the doubt clearance session, I can show these things to you.
Yeah,
Sir,
Rohit.
for
Yeah.
practice purpose, how can I access the lab actually? What kind of,
You have lab here, right?
practice
I
is-
have created this
Not able to
folder.
see this lab.
Yes, it is not visible, right?
Still, it is not visible.
Yes. I mean,
No, guys,
this is.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I have just opened it. I was about to tell
No,
you that I was.
this lab you can't able to see. This is
Yeah,
this
this
is
lab only.
no, this lab you can't able to see this.
No, sir, previous also.
I am watching just
This
two
two
lab.
lab you're not, 2 3 labs you're not able to see yet.
No.
Only two. That
Only
that
this
you
two.
told.
Only first and second
Yeah.
is visible, right? But the third
One
and fourth
second.
is not
Third and
visible.
fourth not able
Can
to.
you
Visible.
able to see the topology like this?
No.
No, it was resembling as the old one.
Actually, port
Okay.
number is different. It's 9002. We are using 809.
Okay, guys. I'll after this class I'll ping them. Okay, and I'll inform them to replicate this lab to all of you guys.
This is
Yeah, Rohit,
was
but
supposed
we
to be
put
solved
it to
today
Gaurav,
itself.
but he's not responding in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Yesterday, before yesterday, he
Yeah,
said like ping
no
one
one
on
is
one,
responding.
we will respond. But whenever we ping, we won't get any response from them.
Okay, guys. Just be online for 2 minutes. I'll try to reach someone. Okay. So from tomorrow morning onwards, you can able to access the lab, or else just ping me in WhatsApp tomorrow.